I'm sorry. I forgot to hit live. Guys, if you see it saying, oh my fucking god, I'm going to talk to myself. If you see it saying scheduled and it's gone way past its time, don't think that you're waiting for me. Like, I think I'm already streaming. So please just say, hey Andy, you're late, or Andy, hit live, or something like that, please. I forgot to hit go live. Because EDM put Izzy on a comfort break, I was like, wait, I'm back. What's he saying? I'm so sorry.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's too late now, Mick. 8WT, hey Falcon, EDM, Simon, TFN, Pico. I can't remember who else I said hello to now that the chat's gone up. Yeah, it should go. It's too late, Carthor, you little ship. Aliu. So sorry. Right, this PS5 does work. I've tested it. There is a disc in there, and it was a film. I've got to repeat all this again. Oh, I'll show you it for bloody whatever purposes. Damn it. Don't bloody believe it. I don't believe it. Sold a blob. What? Hey, Terry. Farm Tech. Mike, look at the res. It's more like an old Nokia. What? Oh, Mick. Oh. Don't believe it. Yeah, free game film. So I was like, oh, guys, guess what game this is? And I had a little peek. And I goes, oh, no, you guys, none of you guys are going to guess this game. And I was like, oh, look at the state of this disc. Anyway, so this film I watched once with my missus. I was in my early 20s. And I said to her, I do never want to watch that film again. Like, because the violence in it, and I don't know, something about it, I didn't like it. Not because I didn't like the film. It's just it made me, quite nervous sort of thing. And I watched it again when I was older, not too long ago. And I was like, what was I on about early, like when I was younger? Anyway, you guys will never know this game. No, it's not Casino. I mean, film. No, not Love Actually. Eden Lake. Put your hands down, Dreams, please. Yes. I watched it the first time and I was like, I never want to watch that again. And then I did. That CD is well loved, 100%. Look at those grubby fingers. It's a DVD. But yeah. And I also said I'm still really hot. Oh no, I'm not repeating it all. There's so much stuff I said beforehand. I'm still hot. I was cool, and then I got hot again because I had another customer drop off stuff. 2 really heavy, small monitor speakers, active ones. No power for both of them. It's a bit weird for them both to go. But they are so heavy for the size of them. They're like, what, that big? And they must weigh about 10 kilograms each. Anyway, this is just overheating, apparently. So let's get into it. Oh, he also dropped it. So one of the panels were missing. So I'll have to put that back on. I think he may have snapped a lug. But other than that, it's fine. I hope that CD player is not really damaged. I haven't done any more damage to it. Thing is, Tony's right, man. He was right all along. I didn't listen. I was like, nah, it's fixed. But cheap ass tech could be right also, thinking it's the disk drive that's causing it. Because the 2 things were put. I don't know. Ah, 8Buck isn't in here, is he? I think I'm going to be scammed on eBay again. There's so many scammers on eBay. I bought another faulty PS5. They created the shipping label, and that's it. They're not doing nothing about it. They're not shipping it. That's twice it's happened to me now. I just want to buy a PS5. This is so recessed in, it's hard to get your finger down there. Yes, have I missed a screw? I have. What? I missed another screw. What's going on? Fuck off. Have you picked up your ratting yet, Mick? I hope you're up your mum's now. Picking it up. Taking a picture of that. Right, we've got it. Yes, buddy. Good. I want to see you on stream with it. Sorry, I do that because I always forget how that's rooted. Rooted. Not routed. Rooted. 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 I've got a new USB hub 2 mic. Oh, you got a new USB hub 2 mic. No, I think he's only got USB hub 1. Well, the dust seems pretty good. Could UART it, but let's see the liquid metal first. Now this is 2 consoles I'm going to have to test, which is kind of annoying. I tell you what, my subs from last stream a minute ago flew up. What the actual hell? I was on 2.117, I think. No. 2.7. Oh, what is it? I was on 2.7. I want to say 17, and it's gone to 2.726 from 17 all the way up to 26. That's a lot of subscriptions all of a sudden. I was like, what? Mine's USB hub 2.01, mate. Might need a USB 3 hub mic. Nice one, Mr. Swindon. Yeah. I mean, I don't care about subs, but no, it is a bad thing. I don't want to grow anymore. My little community's nice. Like when Zach did the giveaway stream, there was like 300 viewers, and then they had to put down slow mode on because chat was just going nuts. So I don't want that to happen. I like the speed that it's at now, like 1 every 20 seconds. Hello again, Briz. It's still hot and thirsty. This is what it would be like with slow mode on? Nah. There's not many screws. I think it'll be a bit faster than that. Unless I set it to 1 message every minute, which is kind of pointless. Oh well, that feels really hot already. Oh yeah, I need to put that in. I have got slushy mixture. I should put it in. Slushy when you're thirsty and hot. Beautiful. Right, dry spot. No, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'll hook up UART after I've done this little cleanup, but it's not massive. But you know, these have smaller heat sinks and whatnot, so could still be the culprit. I was gonna go give these a blow quick. Yeah, it's only light dusting. We'll see. Mute in. Okay, I'ma try it out. Okay. Okay. Your AC what?
Maxim Kuznikov subscribed to the channel.
Oh, thanks for subscribing. I don't know how to say your name. Maxgun. Thank you for subscribing. I've got to put my hat that way around. Look, you can see my forehead sweating. I need it to absorb. I'm sorry, you can't see my face as much. My AC ordered got cancelled. Oh no. Oh. Maxim? Is that how you say it? Maxim? Is it Maxim? Hi, Maxim. Thank you for lurking. I hate when you get liquid metal on your hands. Look at that. Overheating me, overheating now. Me overheating, needing a lot now. Hey, David. Casey is X in acrylic. The reverse N is I. How do you even know that? It's all about the squeakiness. Gotta make sure that liquid metal's. Yeah, there you go. It's sticking. Oops. You can read acrylic a bit. Nice. If somebody now has to disable onboard RAM Lenovo T14, oh, know how to. I don't think you can. It's obviously some BIOS settings, I guess. BIOS editing. I don't know. Why quay? Why quay? No, 39 outside, 29 inside. That's not bad. Always WhatsApp business in me. Okay, it's the PS5 with no power. No, BIOS edit doesn't work. Oh, then I don't know. Sorry, you're on your own, kid. I smell barbecue. Then cry more. Yeah. Disable RAM power supply, maybe. What, you got a shorted RAM module, or you reckon a RAM data line to the CPU? Why do you want to disable onboard RAM? But then it won't start. I need it to start. I have a lot of read errors. I'm confused. So you want to disable the onboard RAM because it won't start. But if you disable the onboard RAM, you said you need it on to start. Andy, you never rebuilt an Xbox 360 NAND from scratch? No, I don't. I don't do retro consoles really. Nope, never even seen an Xbox 360. Shut up. Get in. Okay. Open and replace RAM. Whoops. Yeah. I need to disable onboard RAM because I have read-write errors, but laptop have dim RAM slots. Right. That's not true. Watch Mix stream. I don't know what you're on about. And there's no RAM slots to add more RAM. Okay. Right. Okay, I've got this. I've got this. No need for picture. Ta-da! Cool. I was going to check UART quick. EDM 03. No. EDM 040. those three. Ground being where? You didn't tell me where a ground is. Probably that lonesome one there. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, that's fell over. Don't you dare fall over. No. Ground. And then it was TX and RX. TX, RX. Oh, what did this guy say? Is that TX and RX? Yeah. No, that's no. TX on the left and RX on the right. Perfect. TX, RX. TX left. Oh, where's my... Oh, I left out here. You said you never... Oh, I meant in person, in live, you silly car. Send laptop to Andy. No. Last time I did a RAM replacement like that, I got so close, there was like one RAM module that wouldn't register still. It took ages. Can't even remember if I hand rebought it though. No, I think it was brand new RAM that he purchased, actually. TX and RX. Okay. Hot diggity dog. Oh, I left my data cable inside. I thought, oh, I won't need that. No, that's the wrong one. It's this one. All right, 2 seconds. Just got to go get my USB-C lead. I'll have a vape while I'm on my journey. It's hot. Hot bothered. Can't find the hole. Ah, there it is. Okay. Here we go. Please detect it. Yeah. General power failure. Oh dear. Ah, abnormal temperature. Yeah. That's a proper overheating issue there. That's good. So it is overheating. These are the latest ones as well. Yeah, abnormal thermal temp shutdown. Oh, I've got a customer. Ding dong. coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Great. Okay. Back. Yeah, so as I was saying, these are normal thermal shutdown errors, so that's a good sign. Right, what did I miss? Then send it to electric. He only accepts certain stuff. He doesn't do that. Somebody had the same issue with RAM errors, and Soren turned it down, so that's why it got sent to me. Soren wouldn't do it. Why? I don't know. You could ask JFix about that as well. Why did I just unplug my data cable? No idea. But Soren will not touch it. Well, for the laptop that I did, anyway. On Bad Caps forums, there's a post about this from 2023 and still no one has solved it. Oof, it's not good, is it? Not even by changing the RAM modules. No, Andy, otherwise they would have done that already and said it. Oh, okay. You donkey. I'm going to have to grab a can of Coke in a minute to keep me chill. How about Adam? Yeah, he might do it. I don't know that guy personally. I don't know what we're saying. Pretty much dust free there. So I'd say this is definitely would be done. This would be fixed if it had a thermal issue. That other PS5 that I'm testing has gone into bloody rest mode. I've got to figure out how to turn that crap off. I went into power settings and it says do not turn off and the controller do not turn off, but it's still going into rest mode, which is annoying. Right, is that all the screws? Yeah. Disk drive. Where's the disk drive? Got to clean the fan quick. Give you a mute. You have no IRBGA. That's sad. Oh, come on, you little shit. Right, in a minute, I've got to go back in the house just to see how I could turn off that power save mate thing. So I want to give it at least a couple of hours before letting the customer know that it's not shutting off anymore. Guys, no chatting in chat. Joking. Chat away. It's only a boing PS5 anyway. Yep. Yeah, I'm on live chat. Thank you anyway. So I think I'm missing that bottom panel. Whoops, that's the disk drive gone. Yeah, no chat. I know it's that one. That one's missing. What? Greg. Change out your social media for that. Yeah. Well, I'm going to get the other panel for it. He's also given me a power cable, so I won't steal that. Right, he has... No, he hasn't broken any pins off it. That's good. Right, cool. Final test, see if it works. If so, that's that done. Unplug. Plug in. Oh God, this is hard. My whole chest is wet. This drive still works. Cool. It's at 37 minutes. A quick message, let them know it's done. New chat, messages, number 07. Cool. Hello. Please, can I have an email? Oh, actually, he's already been emailing me. So many people's been emailing me. No, cool. Okay. Right. Now, unplug that. Plug that back in. I've just got to quickly sort out that PS5 in the living room. Stop it from going into sleep mode. And then I will be back. We got a choice. Put that on my thick shelf. Flip flops. Actually, I'm wearing thongs. If you're Australian. Right, is it to sleep mode? Oh, for God's sake. No, it's because the console went into sleep mode. I've got to turn it off. Console's still on, but the game. There we go. Right, it's resuming that. Settings. Shut up. System. Power saving. Ah, there we go. For 20 minutes. Do not put into rest mode. Okay, now it should be good. Okay, I'll just leave it running on that while it's muted. There you go. Okay, come in. Right, so options. PS5 no power, completely dead, or that CD player. You decide. I'll do a poll. Stop, don't say nothing. I'll do a poll. Wait, where's that come from? What's this? Y0. Eh? Oh no. Y00. Why is Y0 out? Must have got caught. Poll. Give it till 52. Only 4 votes. That's shocking. CD player, no power. Fuck. Kind of didn't want to get to that. I wanted to do something easy first. Well, that was easy. I've just done. I voted. Thank you. 9 votes. Okay, that's gone up now. What we know. Oh, that CD player's annoying. Okay, it's 52. I'm ending it. All right. Hopefully it'll power up again. I voted PS5. Did you? I mean, PS5 would have been easier. No power. Damn. Back to this shitty TV CD player. Ugh. It's hot. I don't know what I'm doing. How am I supposed to see what's drawing too much current? The only way I could tell that is by heat. But cheap ass tech, he reckons it's to do with these two. Part of the disk drive. I'm gonna get aggy soon, don't worry. I want to see if it powers up still now, because it's cooled down. I mean, or if it's dead. If it's dead, I'm fucked. No. Bam. Welcome back anyway, worms. Slipping. Oh, that's the wrong bit. Where's that gone then? Oh, there it is. Hello, Joe. Dead as opposed to just dead? Yeah, dead as in we had life in it and then it died again. So now I'm hoping it's not dead where I can't have it to come alive again. Hopefully. I feel sorry for Americans, man. They've always got this heat. But then they get used to it. We're not. We're just moaning bloody pommies, as everyone calls us. Right. Alright, hopefully I'm going to get some sort of power. I reckon I'm not. Yes, we do. Okay, that's good. We do have power again. Oh, yes, but they have aircon. Ah. So is that your CD in it? No, it's not, Mike. It's a customer's. Right. So it does still power on. Fantastic. Now, I want to try something else. Because Cheap Ass Tech reckons it's to do with the motor driver. So something's too hot and shuts down. But it looks fine though. Like what? How hot's too hot? It's 50 odd degrees. I guess it did just overheated. Because it's working fine again. It's under the CD mechanism. Could be. Call it fixed and do the PS5. I know it's turning on. That's fine. I'm actually going to turn it on with no load from the CD player and see if it shuts down again. I will keep it under the thermal camera. Maybe play a disc for a time. I did. That's when it shut down. Those PS5s look. I forgot. I'll do it in a minute. Oh, I'll do it now, quick. I could change the title of this now because it's no more no power. It's now just shutting down. But also, could it be because those fuses have too much current going through them and it was melting? No, it can't be melting the solder joints. When I shut down, check 5 volts and 9 volts. What on the... So you, once it's shut down, you want me to check the regulators like that one and through the ICP11s and stuff. PS5s can't play audio CDs. Really? Yeah, all right, FarmTech, I'll do that, buddy. Thank you. Here we go. All right, we're powering on. We're on. Nothing's getting... Wow, these two are, though. Why are they getting... What's that over there? I need a pokey stick. I mean... The diodes are fine. What is that? That is these... I don't know. No, not that. Yes, one's... Ah! One is... the resistor. No. That thing? Yeah, one's a resistor, and the other one's a resistor. They're just resist... Oh, no, that is a diode. Diode 18. That's a diode down there on its own. It's just a resistor and a diode. You sure could that leaded solder? Sure it could. That's leaded solder. Maybe? I don't think... Take a thermal cam with the macro lens. I try to, but my phone's a bit... My phone's being annoying. Hold on, let me just... Yeah, 50 degrees on a resistor. Ow, that's quite hot over here. What's that over there? That's quite warm over there too. Just touch that board, it was pretty warm. Yeah, something under there's getting really, really hot. Oh no, that's the main audio chip. I guess that's fine. Or whatever that is. No. What's the temperature on those diodes? We can't see the screen. About 40, 50. So this diode, poor little diode in the corner over here, is hitting, I can't get my phone into it enough. Yeah, about 40 odd degrees. It said about 40 degrees. This one's hitting 49 degrees, 50 degrees for the resistor. Well, that could be a diode actually. No, that's a diode. Yeah, sorry, no, that's a diode. So the two diodes are reading 50 degrees. That's what sorry, 50 degrees. 50 degrees? 50 degrees. They're both diodes. I mean, it's still turned on. This little one over here, which is also a diode, 50 degrees. This voltage reg is 60 degrees. And that's the only things that are getting warm on the board. Too hot for the diodes. But the bridge rectifier, no, is that the bridge rectifier? Yeah, that's for the bridge rectifier on that side. Probably stay until you play a CD for a while. I have no idea. Okay, what about that service thing that he sent me where it's got the thingy? Does it power on? Does it play CDs? Does it shut down? It's still on now. Yes, it did, yeah. But you have to pay extra for it, sort of thing. You could buy it separately or buy it as a bundle. I think I only paid like 100 and no. Don't know how much I paid for it. Have a quick look. I paid £188.31. That was with the macro lens. Good price. Got a spare CD you could plug in. What's wrong with that CD? Yeah, I've got my country love songs. We want to listen to country love songs instead? What's wrong with that CD? Thanks, Andy. You're welcome. I don't think you could get them that cheap though. I don't know how I managed to get it that low. How is the board under the mech getting power? No, it's unplugged at the minute. I've unplugged him. The CD drive is currently disconnected and it's not shutting off. No, I know, but I don't know why he's asking me if we've got another cable to stick in. I guess Greg don't like Bob Dylan. C10, C11 can leak when getting hot and pulled down to 5.9 volt. C10 and C11, they're the capacitors. C10's this big one. I'm guessing C11 is the next one next to it. Wait. The whole CD player? The two big ones, yeah. Been looking for IR with macro, man. Those things get pricey quick, yeah. No, I don't have a spare drive, no. I mean, I could take that out and then have a look at the heat signature underneath it, see if something's turning it off. But yeah, it's still on. Okay, turn it off. Let's plug in. See what else gets hot with this plugged in. This is just, don't know what this is for, but it's going back in. Oh God. Oh no. I hate this sort of ribbon connector, man. What type is this shit? It's getting too hot. Spat all over it. Got a double lens thermal camera, shows components and the heat. Nice. Okay, so that's connected now. Okay. Powering it on. Get my thermal cam. Let's go a bit closer for you guys. It's not on, it's just on. Don't know if narrow is too narrow. No, that'd be good for you guys. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Strange, it won't power on with this plugged in. Or unless it takes a while for the screen to light up. No, I could hear something spinning as well. Oh, it could be because of that. Yeah, it was. Oh. Okay, it decided to eject itself. Whoa! That thing got hot quick. What's that? Oh, yeah. That's Q401. That's what Cheap Ass Tech was on about. Q401, Q402. That got hot instantly. Especially that one, just Q401. But again, that could be normal. I really don't know. Just read the track, play. No, look, now it's cooling down. What's that? This is another Q thingy. Yeah, Q403 is now getting warm. Just Q403. Hello, 3D Medic. Where to now? All right, baby. I don't know. Yeah, no, they can't. There you go. So everyone say hello to Tracy. Actually, if you want to. Let's see, it's working, but then it shut off. So
Just kiss and done.
I love you.
I love you. Have fun.
Trevor,
Even more.
Trevor says hello. So does TFN. Now Forced Penguin. Hello, mate. Didn't know you were in here. Then Greg, then Joe, and Mike. Trace says hello to everybody. I guess I'm just gonna have to wait until it shuts off and then see if the voltages have dropped. Q403 is getting warm. That's the only thing around there, 50 degrees. But everything else is only hitting 50 degrees. No, 56 degrees, 59 degrees. So that's 60 degrees. I don't know, man. That audio IC is... Oh, audio IC, is that still hot? Yeah, that's only about 43 degrees, though. 44 degrees. What was stopping it powering up? Originally, cows, it was two blown. Well, they're like fuses. They look like weird fuses to me, but. Oh yeah, I've got to sort out this customer. Got to write up an invoice. Let's see if that carries on playing. Right, can you see that there? No. Right, while that's playing. Oh, spindle motor ohm, normally 10 to 13 ohms. And oh, right, okay, thanks, Farm Tech. But it seems to be fine now. It's lasted longer than it did before. I don't know if it's because I had a loose connection on there. What I might have to do if it's fixed is hot glue it. Is there seconds counting? No, there isn't. Last time it never lasted this long. Sorry, it's got to type up an invoice. It looks like it's vacuum, to be honest. I don't know. Let me take a picture. Yeah, fix some of them. Don't know if you could tell what type that is. Is that vacuum? It looks like a vacuum. Right, it's got to write an invoice. I keep saying that. QuickBooks. Yeah, it's a VFD, vacuum filled display. And check for bad solder joints around the CD connector. What I'll do, Farm Tech, if this has fixed it, if it plays for a good while, then I will. Sorry, I had a pop-up come up. Then I will just basically do a maintenance over it as well. Then it is a VFD. Okay, I thought it is. Looks nice. Very clear. I love them. Very clear displays. No matter what the light is. Ruby, 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 Ruby. Na, 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 na. Email is oh, I spelled his name completely wrong. Whoops. Does anyone know how to spell Ruben? Ruben. What? I think that's right. Hello, Joe Fiss. Vacuum fluorescent. That's what I said. Yeah, vacuum filled display. Yeah. No, you guys are still wrong. The way he spelled it. Yeah. See, at least I'm not the only. Well, Ruben. Ruben. Ah, see, you're all wrong at the minute. That's why I didn't. That's why I spell it wrong. Anyway, I digress. I'll tell you in a minute how it's spelled. It's spelled. No, not rhubarb. It's spelled Reuben. Reuben. Yeah, that's not Ruben. It's Reu. How do you feel something with vacuum, Andy? Shh, Joe. Right, so this is PS5 service. £30. Only £30? I know, bargain. No warranty. He spells it Steve. Reu. Rue was a typo. Right, sure it was. It's Reuben. Long time since you told me to shut up, Joe. Yeah. All right. I didn't know if you got offended last time. That's why I don't say it anymore. Right, that's that sent. It's still playing perfectly fine, guys. So I really don't understand. Wait, why is it sent it twice? That's weird. So what do we say? Order the correct parts, replace it, do the rest. Because I can undo the repair at the minute. Call it fixed. Do I put some speakers in it? See if audio's okay. Let me eject it. Put it back in. Check audio output. Oh, I'm all sweaty. Oh, it's flipping. Oh, what connectors is it? Oh, line out. I don't have that. I don't have them connectors. What? I can't check the output. I don't have those type of speakers.
Oh no!
I thought I got all the audio equipment now. I do have RCA, but it's RCA2 mono, RCA2 aux. I could use my silly scope, look for audio signals, but that's about it. You need an amplifier. Ah, yes, a stack system, isn't it? Yeah, forget it. I forgot about that. I forgot it's a standalone. It's not a standalone CD player. Part of a stack. Output we need. Yeah. Silly scope here. Put your headphones in. Oh, I can't. I haven't got the correct size jack for it. I need to buy an adapter. Ooh, money me. Right, I'm going to call this done, but I'll order the parts. Say, do you want me to do the repair? If not, I'll just take the jumper wires off. Does anyone know what type of fuses they're called? I've never come across those before. The ICPs. Integrated circuit protection. Is current max 600 milliamps. Is that what it's just called? Is it literally called ICP11 or ICPs? So I'm just matching up some transactions. If he says, yeah, order new fuses, look on manual for rating. If he says, yeah, order new fuses, look on manual for rating. Okay. Well, Farm Tech's already found it. It's 600 milliamp rating. Integrated current protection. Ah, thanks, Daves. It seems to be fine. Fusible resistors. Okay. For some reason, my QuickBooks is taking a hella long time. There you go. Ooh, money. Ooh, that's a nice number to see in my bank. Okay, match that. Confirm. You don't know how I knew. Anyone want a quick glance at how much I got? There you go. Money me. Got 2 grand. 2 grand in business. Let's go. 4 million, I wish. I'm a tight ass with my money. Yep, okay. I guess I'll put this back together. No, I won't. I'll leave it. Let's turn it off. Right, let's turn it off. I won't put it back together, but I will just put the lid on with the screws. Oh yeah, this needs to go back on. Leave it like that. Screws can sit in the side. You can find look. You can find component model list in the PDF. Look for ICP. All right, thank you. I appreciate that. I will look at the service manual. Beautiful. Thanks, Farm Tech. So helpful. Actually, all of you are helpful. So that's been running for how long? Would you say like 5 minutes? That'll do. I said to him I won't even look at this until Monday. See, he's given me his power cable and I've stole it. Oh, there it is on the floor. Along with my thermal cam cap. I don't care about that. I'm just going to bin it. It's had its time. ICP semiconductor fuse on Phoebe 169. Okay. All right, that is going to go onto this, this shelf. Hopefully I'll remember. These are diagnosed but needs fixing. So I've got diagnosed needs fixing, shelf that shows needs fixing, and a fixed shelf. And then I've got another shelf with no pickups. So I've got a lot of stuff. I've got a Bose speaker, projector. I've got PS4 controller. I've got forklift driver things. Well, actually, they are fixed, but they've not picked it up yet. I've got a weird sensor. I've got another pipe sensor that they've just dumped with me. Yeah. PS5. All right. Now, this is what I was looking forward to. No pickups. Yeah, well, yeah, it means they're faulty or are fixed, but they still haven't picked it up. Most of them are faulty and can't be repaired. One of them's like a sensor on the ends blown, and you can't buy them because they are what's that word again? Where you can only buy them to you can't buy them. They're specific to the manufacturer. I do have things to repair now. Yeah, I've suddenly got busy all of a sudden. I still got 2 monitor speakers with no power after this. 2 different monitor speakers, and they're heavy. No, not bespoke. There's another word. There's another word for it. Do you know what? I forgot to take this off. There you go. Yeah, you do, Joseph. Oh my God, Emma. PS5 overheating. Hi, my son's PS5 keeps overheating. What's going on? Well, they're all going to have to bring it in Monday. And the cover's off, yeah. We have tried to clean it out, but it still keeps happening. Would there be something you could suggest at all, or would you be able to have a look at this for me, please? My number is... I swear I've contacted her before. Could be wrong. Right, this is dead, no power after a lightning strike. Here we go. No, I'm not working tomorrow. Dead. Do we get 12 Vs or have we got a 12 V short? Dum dum dum. Nobody listens. Proprietary, that's the one. Thank you. Yep, cheers, Daves. Yep, proprietary. There you go. I said proprietary, mother. Sorry, Daves. Yes, you are right. That's the word I was looking for. By like 2 degrees. Yes, Joe. But it's even worse because I've not got the aircon in here today. I've left it in the bedroom. I couldn't be bothered to drag it down. But I'm kind of regretting it because I don't know if you see how wet my head is. You probably don't. I'm sweating. Helps captures my sweat. I do need a drink. I've got to go get a drink. I'm sorry. And a vape. My balls are sticking together. It's not good. Not together, to my legs. Oh, bloody caffeine-free Pepsi. What the fuck is that? Yeah, ice maker's still working. Good. Tastes nothing like Pepsi Max. Not enough information. Sorry. Oh, fuck. I wish I had a thermometer in here. It must be 35 again. Right. Yes, it would need a service, my love. I can't be bothered to explain what even a service includes. So much to type, and most of the time they're like, "What?" Right, are we getting 12 volts? No, could just be power supply or a 12 volt short. Yeah. Oh, well, that was quick. That's Rubin, I think.
Oh no!
Okay. Is 62C in your shop? So yeah. Let's have a look. So at the minute it's 28 degrees. So it's going to rain at 5. That's nice. What is 62 Fahrenheit? Not 72. 62 F in C. 16 point. That's cold. Wow. I want that to be that temperature. Ooh. Actually, 16 is a really nice, comfortable temperature. That's probably my ideal temperature everywhere, all around. You got 32 point C. Shit. Right. So this is dead. Hopefully it's a 12 volt short or the power supply. Oh, do you know what? No, let's rewind that. My stupid dim bulb tester. I haven't turned it on by the dim bulb tester. Damn it. 68. Okay, that's a little bit warmer. Oh, power supply's fine. Dim bulb flashed. Let's give it full voltage. Look, see how much it's drawing already. Isn't that drawing a bit too much on standby? Is it though? Let's power it on, see if it beeps. No, it's still dead. It's still dead anyway. So it's not even powering on. Let's see if we do get the 12 volts. Short detected. I don't know. I think that's normal. But, wow. Remember, the power supply draws 32 amps. Or something like that. Voltage DC. No. No, we've probably got a 12-volt short still. Although that's drawing a little bit of current. It's all right. Okay, let's turn that off. It shouldn't really be drawing current. Ah, that bulb's hot. On standby. Apparently, look for burns first. What are we on about? Whoops. What are we on about, huh? Power supply may have partial short. Well, okay. Well, I'll see if there's a short in the 12-volt rail. Remember, this is a lot. Well, they say lightning strike, but it stopped working after we had the storm. And also, one of the neighbours' TVs stopped working as well. So it sounds like their house got hit or something, or houses. Which I've never come across a lightning stricken, stroked console before, or anything to be in fact. Oh, so good. Maybe. Have you ever replaced a Nintendo Switch V1 RAM IC without needing to program? Yeah. But I've always used donor RAM. I've never actually bought RAM for it because I've got tons of donor boards. I must check on that PS5 in the living room in a minute. I give up with these fucking ribbon cables. The little tab on the end's coming off. I'll just snip that off. It's just a locating tab. RIP! Yeah, I know it is. What's that mean? Ripping. What does that mean? Christmas tree stream was half a year ago. Bloody hell. I didn't know yet. Oh, have I not? Alright, CG, I'll change it in a minute, mate. It is a lot of screws. Everyone says it every stream because it's true. It's overkill. Well, the title isn't wrong though. What do you mean? Of course it is. It's not shutting down anymore. CD player is fine. I'm going to see if I could brighten up my picture as well.
Andy's the best.
Thank you. That'll do. Tell me you don't want people to repair without telling me what you mean. My flat says 33.8. Holy crap. Have a big ice cream brought to you. I'm good. Hello, Amo. I don't know, 12 volts short. Hopefully a shorted
I've got
capacitor,
a really small
I
one.
I doubt it. I don't know what it's going to be. No ice cream truck in the shed. Fortifix. Hello. Greg, you on about that ribbon cable means I'm going too fast. How can you go too fast pulling out a ribbon cable while bending back the retaining clip? You donkey. I'm joking. Okay. What are we saying? No. Not a bad power supply. I mean, it could just be the power supply. It's not a shorted 12 volt rail. Maybe it is just power supply. Ooh. It could just be power supply. So there's no short on the 12 volt because you would get 12 volts at the fan and we wasn't getting 12 volts at the fan. Ooh, easy pizza. It's a disgusting day. That's the wrong bit. Power to you. Yeah, I hope so too. How much a power supply is worth? Because I've got one working power supply I repaired ages and ages ago. It's the one where I think I fixed it, but then I was only getting like 8 volts. And Toltec Merc had a video, and he said, "Oh, I lifted up this optocouple, whatever it's called." Oh my god, what's going on today? Half on there, half off. Yeah, lift up the optocouple, thermal coupler. It'll be coupler. I'm literally dying. Mate, I don't blame you. I should have probably got myself one of those screwdrivers, probably saved my 100%. Literally, once you go electric, you'll never go manual again. I was always like, nah, manual's fine. What's the point of me getting an electric screwdriver? But my God, what a difference it makes. Andy, it's the heat. What's the heat? That's what she said. What? What's the heat? You had almost 37C in the office. That's horrible. That's what Sheep says. What the fudge? Boop. Does that count only for screwdrivers? Oh, I see. Yeah. £30, you can't go wrong. Oh. No, 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 no. Do. Right, let's do the same again, but with my power supply. I think the power supply I've got's the same. Yeah, looks exactly the same. I'm wondering if it will go. It's just going to be power supply anyway. I know it will be. Why did you make me 90? Because we're not getting 12 volts even when using the dim bulb. Current limiting, not voltage limiting, current limiting. Now it's just going to go beep because it will be limiting the current. It won't have enough to start up the console. Okay. Did you check voltage out of the PSU? Yeah, there was nothing. Using the current limiter. Here we go. See, that's normal. That's normal. Now let's see if we get a beep. Yep, we beeped. There you go. So it is the power supply. We're getting a beep. Don't know if you can hear it. Turn off my noise cancelling. Listen. See? Did you guys even hear the beep? I think I actually turned it off instead of just pressing noise cancelling. I think I pressed and held the button. Did you hear the beep? We did not. I think we heard the beeps. Okay, so I think when I went to turn off noise cancelling, I held it down instead of pressed it. Yeah, this has got multiple torque settings. You can't over torque screws. God, that max is really hard to select. so you can't overtalk. As long as you use 1 or 2, you're safe. Sometimes 3 to undo some screws, or even sometimes higher. Right, let's power that off. Let's give it a little boot up, see if we can get a picture. And then I'll do a service on it, sort out the power supply. Then we'll look into the power supply if I can. Ow, that's hot. Clamp. Just to see if we get a picture. So like this, I'm going to be screwing these screws back in. So I always set it to like 2. 2's usually good for everything, apart from smaller things. But torque setting 2. Oh, it's in my hand. I'm losing it. You cannot over torque it. It will automatically go and then stop. Ready? There you go. It stops it automatically. It kind of slips. It's got a slipping clutch mechanism sort of thing. And then it stops. Nice. Right, let's try it. Let's get a picture. I don't know yet, Worms. Hold on. I just saw your review on the Frantic. Looks pretty good. What's that? Oh, I don't know what that is. I guess it's a review program. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's turn off the limit in. There you go. Now it's got full power. 3, 2, 1. Okay, pressing the power button. No, it's still got an issue. So it took out the power supply and it's got an issue. What? Yeah. Wow, what else could it have taken out? Damn. I guess I could use UART now. Okay, remove fix. You can't remove it. Actually, I think I disabled it. All right, let's get the UART out again. It's a good thing. Is a small electro... Oh, is it? Frantic is a small electronic screwdriver. Oh. I think it's these 3, isn't it? For this console. I've got to Google it just in case. EDM 010. Let's have a look. Images. Yeah, it is. Hello, Ranjit Mandel. Hello. Thank you for the lovely hearts. Ranjit Mandel. I've got a really small one and a big one. What? Right. Oh, my wire's getting caught. There you go. What? GD Auto. Oh no, I thought that was GT Auto. He always says that. Thank you. Ground. TX. And RX. What are you doing? I've got a VD. Have you? Yeah, we know. It's all the tub streams. Okay. All right. Oh, What have I done with that cable? It is down here. Right, anyone guess what could be wrong with it? Your neighbour's wife been charging a lot. Eh? CG has twice.
CG tipped £3.33. Buy yourself an ice cream.
Thank
Or
you,
a
CG.
cold drink.
I've got slushy machines, but thank you so much. That's twice you've tipped me. 333. What is that in your currency? €5? I don't know. Okay. What errors are we getting? CG, you're not even in chat. You were actually. Yes, you were. Okay, so this is the old one. Read error codes. Go. Oh no, it's changed. No, it hasn't. Have I got it wrong way around? Oh. RXTX. I think it's taken out of Southbridge. I'm thinking it's the Southbridge issue. It can't communicate with the Southbridge. Let me restart this just in case. Oh, right, thank you. Let me restart that. It's not communicated. Oh, hang on, no, it's because the console's not on. Forget that. There you go. Now there's power go to the console. Donkey. Assuming. Oof, ready? What's this red stuff? Oh no. HDMI-C problem. Oh. Has it killed the encoder? HDMI-C problem with data line short failure. Interesting. So I guess back power went through the HDMI port. So it's the encoder. Potentially. Let's have a look around the area. See what we can find. Yeah, the encoder's shut. What? Ow, my bum. I'm gonna have to stand up. It's I hate this chair. It's so uncomfortable after a while. Let's have a look around the encoder. See, that's gonna cost him a lot for parts and labour. New power supply and the Panasonic. Actually, I don't know how much PS5's power supplies go for. Oh, it is, but I've had it for donkey's years. Ow. That's better. No new chair fund. And these are not comfy. They're really hard. But I was naive back then, so... And I've had this for, like I said, donkey's years. Right, let's have a look. What are we saying, huh? You need a bigger buttocks than eat more barbecue. Eh? Why do I need a bigger buttocks? Right. So let's see. Herman Miller. How much are they? They sound expensive, being a brand. That's like a Louis Vuitton sort of name. Right, here we go. No short. No short. But hang on, let me read the ohms, because the ohms is important. 216. Now, I don't know what these should measure at. 216. That seems low. 216. 216. That's low. 2.8. There we go. We've got a short there. 2.3 ohms. That side is ground. Yeah, that's ground. We got a short. Yeah. I'll put, look, you could hear it. There you go. So it is the encoder. Is that one short as well? No, that one's short as well. Short. 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 Not short. Yeah, anyway, this has failed. Okay. Expensive repair, this one. 50 PSU, 35 encoder. Is it really 35 quid for an encoder? Do you know what? I actually don't know if I've got any. Because I remember just taking them all off for previous repairs. I think I have... Let me have a look. Does it matter if it's Panasonic or the other brand? I don't think it does it? See, that one's missing. That one's missing. I remember just taking them off. That one's missing. Oh God, I must have one, please. Ah, here we go, we've got one. Whew. That's on a recent one. The Nuvoton, that's it. You could change it to Nuvoton though, can't you? Yeah, that's it, Nuvoton, yeah. Beginning with N. Panasonic versus Nuvoton. I'm pretty sure you still can. I'm not sure. Can anyone confirm, or does it have to be a Panasonic? I've had this before. That's how I blew my other audio chip. Yeah, you can. Is it still the same product code? Oh, it might be. As long as it's the same code, right? MN864739. Yeah, okay. So it is the same. It's just different brand. Yeah, it's fine. Louis Vuitton is fancy. A fart cushion. Yep. Right, let me have a look. Let me price this up. See how much it's going to cost him. So power went through the power supply and the... whatchamacallit? PS5 HDMI encoder. Oh no, it's not that much. You get $35 from bloody £12.40, you silly car. I wish it was that. Cheap as chips. And it's in Leeds in the UK. Donkey. Yeah, all right. Well, okay. So say about £13. I'll probably round that up to 15. So 15 quid for the encoder. How much for PS5 power supplies? What is it? A 400R. What are these called? DADP 4000. No, 400DR. That's it. 400DR. He's lucky I got one in stock. AliExpress, 20 quid. 30 quid. Now, is that new? About 40 quid. That is new. How well are these? Does anyone... PSU 50 quid. Yeah, I'm getting there. But has anyone used any of these ones? I don't know if they're any good. Of course they will be good. They'll be working. There's a lot of used originals. Now, I could either go 30 quid on AliExpress or slightly more for the UK. All right, so say 40 quid. 40 and 15. What's that? 50, 60 quid already in parts. Yes, I will do Aliu, yes. I will give it a go. It's probably the DAP 12C453. It's free shipping. It's UK shipping. So that's 60 quid in parts. How much labour? 40 quid? No. Probably. See, that's a tough one. For no power repairs, I usually charge 60 to 90 pounds, and that's excluding parts. Basically, that's usually from donor boards. I just £68. All right, I know how much to charge. Double the price, 60 quid labour. If it works. Yeah. Because you think the diagnosing is part of it, the skills to changing the chips. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to take off the original encoder from here, and I am going to apply flux. The reason being is I want to preserve the solder on the pads. Because if you don't add flux and you take it off dry, it will take off most of the solder with it, and I don't want that. I kind of want to keep as much solder on the pads as I can, so then it's easier to actually put the new chip on, or the replacement chip, if you know what I mean. Yeah, Andy, we got you, bro. Okay, thanks. I've lost my good tweezers. Oh no. Oh, there they are. Andy's pissed. Is that a bit dark? I think it is. Sorry. Even these tweezers are a bit busted. Yeah, you got me, bruh. Mick. Oh, he's streaming, isn't he? Oh, shit. Actually, I want to do the same to this as well. I want to keep as much solder on the pads on the chip as well. Oh yeah, good idea. Thank you, Silvac. Silvac. GG. Isn't it weird though how it didn't come up as a severe warning? Right. Orientation? That way. I'll nail you in a minute if you carry on. Sorry, this heat's getting to me. Right, I'm doing continuity first. Yeah, no shorts. It's open line overload. Obviously, it goes straight to this chip. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. All gravy, baby. Dave's the power supply blew, so I changed the power supply. Then it was beep on, beep off, and then yes, it did mention, it said general power failure in red for severe, but then I also had the HDMI coder potentially faulty, whatever. So I checked around the area. And yes, we had some shorts around the encoder. I have a V2 on the way here for a pet. Oh, really? That's cool. Yeah, get streaming and I'll hop in. But the thing is, Dave's, I haven't done that for a very long time, so I forgot a lot of the stuff. I've forgotten a lot of stuff. Right, let's get this chip back on. So you out with the old, in with the new. Typical lightning. Oh, is it? I don't know. You forgot more than I know. Oh, okay. Oh my fucking god. Sorry. I'm trying to sort out this chip at the same time as heating up the board. I can see the future. What? Did that just flow into position? I think I saw it jump. I think it did. Check Fix My App YouTube channel. You got stuff like Switch 2 diode readings. Oh, nice. Was just this morning thinking it's been a minute since your last Switch fix. Saying that, I only did one the other day. It just needed a new SD card reader slot installed. But it's not like a no power sort of thing, so I can see how you thought that though. I was thinking the same thing when they called. Oh. Got a bit of staining on the copper shield, but oh well. Oops. Okay, it's good. Thank you. My desk is a mess. My desk is a mess. There's the failed chip, apparently, supposed to be. I am going to clamp it down due to the liquid metal being scarce. That is still pretty warm. Been over a year since release. Out, yeah, but how much does warranty does Switch 2s have? A year or two? Probably 2 years, right? So it's all come back to you then. What do you mean? I'm confused. Right. New power supply, a new HDMI encoder. Will we have a fix? I will do a poll. I'll do a poll. Definitely turn on by the dim bulb tester and 100% bypass is switched. You've never remembered anything about? No, I haven't. Oh my god, I can't type. Wait until, I don't know. It's about time the S2 starts coming for a pair. Yeah, we on about Switch 2 or V2? I know, Dave, you're on about V2, yeah. I know you didn't mean about the Switch 2. "12 minutes past. I'm on 1% battery on my vape." Oh, it's dead. If it's died, what I'd do is I'd take the battery out and then put it back in, and then it lasts for a little bit longer. Just one more puff. Oh, you shouldn't do that. You're making the voltage lower than what it's supposed to be for. I know. I did an Andy vote. Always. Oh, don't blame you. Wow, look at that. That's pretty close. Right, let's end it now. It's 12 past. Probably one vote difference. 60-40. Oh, okay. That's a bit higher than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Screw you guys. I reckon it's going to work. In 3, in 2, in 1. Yeah, see? Fuck you, haters. Fuck you, haters. Who's the best technician? Chicken. Woo! White light. Green light. Yeah. Shit, missed it. How could you miss it? There we go. I am shamed. Don't worry, Dave. It happens to me as well. I always vote no, and always thanks Russ, and it always works. Cool. I am a creep too. I said yes. I tell you what. Thank goodness for you, Art. I mean, I probably would have eventually found it because you go around checking for shorts everywhere. That's what I would do. But you are that's just quicker and tells you exactly where to look around. All right, now I've got to see if he wants me to do it. If not, I'll undo the changes. Imagine that. Yep, no worries. I'll put your old power supply back in and put your old encoder in. Yeah, screw you, hate. Who said no? Go on, own up. I said yes. Dave's put no. Fair play to Dave. He actually was honest. Everyone's seen Russ? Yeah, he's popped in a couple of times. Who said no? Come on. To be honest, it's fine. I said no. Thank you, Simon. Fuck off out my stream. Anyone else? Time him out for 5 minutes? No, joking. Joking. Okay, that's good. All right. Do you want me to look at the power supply? I was looking for parts on Xbox. All right. I missed the poll, of course. I would have said yes. Wow, only Simon and Dave's owned up. And there was, how many votes were there? 2 votes don't make up 40%. 15 votes. Yeah, fix the power supply. All right, first I've got to transfer the antenna over and a couple of screws because that PSU, because I'm going to need to buy a new PSU now. Because that PSU has not got 2 screws in because it was a previously repaired one. It's missing the screws there. Plus it needs a clean. I reckon he will pay it. I don't know. Actually, let me message him now. I've got him on WhatsApp. What? Didn't vote, food delivery. Why is everyone making excuses? But I was going to vote yes. Thank you, Silvaki. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Look at all these notifications. I never have a full bar like that. Zach smells. Falcon, LA. Oh, LA joined the stream? LA joined in? About time she joined in. Oh, thank you, Farm Tech, for that. Yep. Shipped, Royal Mail. Oh, yeah, I've got a customer. I'll have to reply to them in a bit. PayPal, thanks, guys. That. Okay, cool. Polar. No, it's too late. I voted no too. Thank you, TFN. Hello, want to play Roblox together when you're done with that? No, thank you, Chill Sausage. I'm not into Roblox. I don't game. Right, what was I doing? What? Does that mean I got copyright? What does that mean? No ad earnings. Why? What do you mean? I didn't play music last stream. Why does it say no ad earnings? It might just be a glitch. Might just be a glitch. Is that for Trump? No, this was today. I didn't play any music today, did I? No. No, I didn't. Oh no. That's weird. It might just be a glitch. That's kind of concerned me now, because has anyone else had any ads come in today? You sang. Oh, I did.
Oh no!
I did sing. Hang on. It might just be a glitch. Give me a sec. What? What's this? What's the suggestion? The stream current bitrate is higher than recommended. Oh no, I don't care about that. Okay. Turn off monetization's on. Go into studio. Contents. Live. I don't get it. The video is ineligible for ads. Advertisers do not show ads on this type of content. Per the advertising friendly guidelines. What? Eh? What does that mean? This video is ineligible for ads. Advertisers do not show ads on this type of content. What was I advertising? What? I don't get it. What the fuck does that mean? I wouldn't know. I block ads anyway. Does anyone understand what that means? No ads because I haven't. Yeah, I know, Joe's. Swearing? No. Oh, could be. No, it wouldn't be vaping. Is it really? Because I'm swearing. I advertise. No, that was in this stream. Nah, it won't be through swearing. I will appeal that. I'm going to appeal it. Yeah. They don't like British acts. Thanks, Mr. M. No, it can't be vaping. Not you. Advertisers. Companies that pay for being ad. Yeah, I know. But why don't they support me? I'm so confused. Anyway, don't care. Don't know and I don't care. Right, let me take all this off. You were quite aggy. This was today's Falcon. This was 2 hours a bit ago. Yeah, I probably was swearing too much. Well, if I appeal it, I'll see what they say. I'll be like, what? What have I done? Why do I always lose that bit? If bad language is used, they won't put ads. Yeah, but I've been swearing all the time. I always swear on my stream. It was all the jammy dodgers like Mick. Whatevs. Oh. Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Hi. Sorry, what do I... Sony phones? Phones? No, I don't repair phones, I'm afraid. No. All right. Thank you. No worries, bye. Do I repair phones? No. Don't know how I got your number then. I don't know. How did you get my number? Well, what do you repair then? Right. Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah, call this guy. He fixes everything. Chat GPT. Yeah. I don't know how he got my number. What did you do to get it? It's weird. He said he don't know how I got my number. Yeah, he asked if I fix Sony phones. Sony? No, I don't fix Sony phones. Yeah, I'm just gonna give this a blow. Oops, am I gonna get demonetized for that? Hold on. 2 seconds. Mute yours. Boop. He asked you how he got your number. Yeah, he did. He did, yeah. He said, don't know how I got your number then. You cheeky bastard. Gotta be careful swearing. You cheeky person. Right, that's all nice and clean. I think it was a comment. Oh, it could be. Yeah. Could be on the bedroom. Yeah, it could be. I'll appeal it first and see what they come back. No, that's today. I didn't say anything about the bedroom. Did I? Wait, today? I don't know. Don't know why I'm continuing with this. I should just ask the customer first who wants me to go ahead and do it before actually doing this. It was probably something I said and you repeated it. No, Daves. You're pretty calm on this one. I whatever it is, I don't care. It's only like £500 lost. Oh yeah, I'm dead. They use AI to go through the uploads. If it finds anything, they don't monetize. That's crazy. How boring will it be if I'm not allowed to swear? Yeah, but they don't even explain why. There's no little section saying why. Like, oh, bad language or sexual content or anything like that. Andy just blamed Tracy. Yeah, I will. You did say at the start, I hope person is 18. Did I? No, that's this one. I'm on about the last stream today. This is a second stream part 2. I said that at the beginning. Yeah, that wasn't this stream. This is last stream, it's saying. When I was doing the record player, no, sorry, the CD player and the PS5 cleans. Yeah. I don't know. It's just weird. I thought, nah, it's going to be a little glitch. Sometimes do that. I just want to know what I did wrong. It's like, feels like I've got a telling off. Yeah, last stream. Did I? What, because of the DVD that was in the drive? Might be that. Nah. Nah, it wouldn't be that. Would you guys stop saying that? It won't be that. He got demonetized last stream TFN. Yeah, my last stream today, it got demonetized. No idea. I don't know what I did. So they cannot earn any earnings from this stream. I'm like, whoop. So I've got to stop swearing. I've got to be all nicey. The amount of times I've sworn my previous 3 streams though have never been demonetized. I don't know. No, it's fine. No, I'm just, it feels like I've been told off. Not the fact that it's not earning it, it's the fact that I want to know what I did wrong and got told off for it. I don't like being told off. Where's the other bit? Where's that gone? Oh no, where is it? Oh, it's there. Oh yeah, that's true, Falcon. Yeah, it would have. Good shout. It would have been the whole stream. Rubbish AI. Yeah, Silvake. Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, I'm gonna have to go change my battery. I'm gonna have to get another drink. Tracy reported you. Somebody may have reported. 2 seconds. Got boob sweat. Oh, can I not say that? I don't know. She's out cycling anyway. Can't have a go at her. Shut up, Daves. Every time he gets up, start the stream. PS5 is still on, by the way, the one that kept shutting off. Oh, that's really cold. I'm just big boned. Exactly. Excuse me. Still don't know if he wanted me to fix this. I've done it. Let's go back together. What I was doing was moaning a lot that I was hot. This was a solid fit. You should have made a stream of it. I've made a stream. This is a stream of it. A recording. Yeah, I think I keep forgetting to hit the record button. I'll do a PCDD and go into record mode, where he just solid concentrates on recording a video. I guess you don't have to do much editing if you do that. If he says no, offer to buy it. Yeah, well, I've just bought one. It's supposed to be faulty, unopened. I've just had an email actually saying your package is, there you go, on its way. Yeah, there you go. So they finally actually shipped it. No, that's not it. Unopened, no power. £153 plus shipping. I know it's a digital and it's not a slim. Item received. Out for delivery. So I'll probably get that Monday, Tuesday. Maybe when you said no, that was this stream, wasn't it? Was it this stream? I don't care anymore. It's just done. It is what it is. It is what it is. To be fair, what I get from you guys anyway is amazing. So I'm sticking this down. Why? When I got to put screws in. Donkey. After all, you're not cursing much. Did you see Soren when he did? That was cursing. No, I didn't. I didn't actually, no. No, I don't think I swear much. But I do swear. Any phasmophobia today? Why? Cows, you bought it. Have you bought it? His stream hasn't ended, so last stream is the one before this. Yes. The stream before this. Before I had my heat break. Nano Madu. Hello, mate. It's funny, I sell them unopened, but I test the 12-volt line already. I do it though through the, yeah. So if it has a normal boot sequence, I sell it as trying to fix. Oh, I sell it versus trying to fix. Oh, fair play. That's a good shout. Can you wait? Can you inject? Oh no. Wait, would you see the boot sequence through the fan connector? Read that long comment. I read that. Not much, but intense and hit in our native language. Oh, right, I see. Had to rewind 3 times to read that. To read what? I get what he's done. He checked the boot sequence through the fan connector. Oh, okay. It's only 5.500 amps, yeah. What time is it? Don't like that wire. Why is that looking all funky? Get in there. The wire orientation changed. So I'm not lying when I said no, 100%. I did not know you could check the boot sequence through the fan connector. I mean, inject voltage through the fan connector to look for the boot sequence. No, yeah, Dave, that's right. Inject 10 gigawatts and sell it for parts. Yeah. Right, personally, guys, I don't think I can do this power supply on stream now. I'm just too hot. Wires are okay too. They can identify whatever. Yeah. Oh no. I would do it on Monday or when I've got spare time. Take a break. Yeah, it's been streamed for another 2.5 hours, so I've also got to contact the CD player guy, the PS5 guy who's on testing the PS5 currently, this guy, order parts for the CD player if he says yes. Have a Kit Kat. No, they're all melted. Black, white, a lot of slack. There you go. Just got to give this chassis a blow. I'm not going to mute it 'cause it's only going to be a quick one. Whoops. There you go. That is real quick, real fast. Handy jobby jobby. Yeah, well, I'll put the slushy machine on and get in the jacuzzi. I think the jacuzzi's on, or hot tub, whatever you want to call it, is on 30, 31, 32 degrees. And that was actually quite nice yesterday. It feels cold when you first get in, but then your body temp adjusts to it. And then it's nice, and then it starts getting cold. What are you doing? Why are you not sitting down? Was it because of that? Yeah, it was. So yeah, I know it won't drop lower than what it is outside, or sometimes it's slightly higher. Where did I miss a screw? Add blocks of ice, a block of ice. Could do. Whoops. Oh, just there, look. Silly me. You should check the boot sequence real quick before you end the stream. What on? What on here? It works, Daves. Hello, Fuzzy. How are you, mate? How is everything? I know obviously it's not a good time, but just are you getting through it? Aggie mute. I can't be Aggie anymore. I don't know what it is. I'm calm now, calm and collected. That's the new me. If it's not because of that, I'll continue. The one you got. Oh yes, Dave's. Yeah, exactly. I will. Good shout. Then if I need you to remind me though, Dave's. Somehow. In hot tub, yeah. Wow, it's a lazy spa, so yeah, coping. Bless you. Must not be easy. Just gonna give this a blow. I'm gonna mute yours this time. And they call it pop. Oh no, might not be allowed to sing. Oh, this screwdriver is pretty warm. Oh, they're there. Ouch, my ears. Silence. Silence is golden. Duct tape is silver. Copyright, exactly. Yeah. It's the first time being demonetized. It's not even copyright, so I just don't know what I've done. Oh, oops. I wanna know. I wanna know. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Give it a little brush, this little last bit. Where is it? There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna not use my dim bulb. Oh, almost pulled the fan off anymore. I'll use that for an extension, but I think it should be able to reach from here. Yeah. Ouch, that's a spare motherboard. It's really bizarre. Those demonetized reports are worse than useless without a reason given. I know. I have no idea what it got demonetized for. And the thing is, if you keep doing it and they keep demonetizing, how are you going to know how to like be good at it? Be good. Okay. No, it won't be chat because YouTube put things in place to prevent stuff like that, I guess. Hence the blocking of words and stuff. All right, final test. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely, he's got a disc in there too. What disc has he got? Any takers? Any takers? YouTube would just ban or shadow ban the individual. Yep. All right, you guys too slow. FIFA or FC. I don't know what you said, Soldering Dutchman. It's translated it. Yeah, it's FIFA. Football Club 24. Sad. Bleh. You just said hello. No, you didn't. You put it with an exclamation mark. You want me to show you? FC24. Yes, Greg. You got it right. But that's hilarious. If it isn't FIFA, it's the off-brand name of FIFA, I know. What? Yo, Slop Tech. The guy that forgets his name, so he had to tattoo on his hand. Yeah. It's called being dyslexic. You got a problem with that? Whoa, that's a bit dusty. Hopefully you'll be a happy man. Really? I mean, that was only the second half I had one of these. Nah, it won't be that. All right, can you see what this is? Look at that. Look. Slop Tech, this is one from today. I've done 2 PS5s and a CD player today, I think. I can't remember what I've done. Nice work at PS5. What was wrong with it? It was lightning striked, which was very rare because we don't hardly get lightning. And plus, I've never had a lightning strike console before. So it blew the original power supply because there was no 12 volts getting to the 12 volt, the fan rail. So I changed out the power supply, and then we had beep on, beep off. So I used UART, and it said about general power failure, which is normal, but it said severe. And then also it said low was the HDMI encoder. So I probed around there, and it said that there was shorts around it. It was like really low ohms. I can't remember what it was now, like 5 ohms on it. So I took the encoder off. Silvake told me to check to see if the short's gone, because that you should really. And yeah, the short was gone. Replace the encoder and it works. What if he doesn't want it to fix it? I know. We won't go there, TFN. I'm sure he will. He's got, I mean, if he says, no, that's too much, I will explain the reasons why. Yeah, thanks, Soldering Dutchman. Nice job, Andy. Thank you, Sloptech. Being dyslexic, seeing his name on his forehead in a mirror, his name would be correct. You unfix it and take the bench fee. I know, it sucks, doesn't it? That's a lot of effort doing this. Cleaned it. He won't say no. I mean, 120 £120. That's 60 quid for new power supply, the encoder chip, then labour, then diagnosing it, how long it takes to do that, and cleaning, like a service inside. 120 quid total. That's good. Get a big M tattooed on your left thumb, Andy. 120 quid. If it was just a power supply, it would have been about £70–80. I usually add about £40 on top of power supplies. So, how much is PS5 nowadays? About 300 and... What, brand new? Or second hand? Second hand, you're looking about PS5. So that's bidding. Oh, that's digital. So this is a disc edition. 270 £270-ish, with about 275, but that's with everything. I don't know about console only. Parts and repair untested. Yeah, all right. Where's the disc edition? 129 parts. Why is it showing faulty ones? Is there not many PS5 for sale? Okay, well, cheapest so far is 270. Yeah, it is quite a lot of work. Mick needs your help with the Atten. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna go anyway, guys. Thanks everyone for the support, being here, hanging out, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna redirect to Mick. He needs help with an Atten, and if you guys could also chime in, that would be awesome as well. I cry. Bastards. Wait, oh, sorry, I didn't mean to swear. Advertising friendly content. Okay, it needs to be advertising friendly content. Okay, well, I'll have to read the guidelines. What was that? Hey!
Hyman Lottering subscribed to the channel.
Hyman, thank you for subscribing. I didn't mean to swear. Can I say that swear word back? Wait, guys, don't say bye. Wait, I can't see anyone. You can see what I'm doing. Oh, I'm gonna get demonetized again. Where is he? There he is. Okay, it's done. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thanks, Anthony, Clawslug, Dave's, Briz, Greg, FarmTech, Soldering Dutchman, Dave's again, Fuzzy. Cheers, mate. Take care as well. Shut up, Joe. Joe, Aliu, bye. Simon, Neil, thanks, Neil. Silvake, thank you so much, mate, for your help. Well, yeah, everyone, really. Thank you. Bye, Falcon. Bye, Aliu again. Bye, Dave's. Andy eBay. What about Andy eBay? What about eBay? Right, I'm going. Let's all go over to Mick and help him with the Atten. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Whew.